Hi there, Kenneth B, Blue Collar Guy. Well, I've got some more interesting news for you. If you've bought one of these AirHawk Pros, you're really going to want to watch this video. So, anyways, I got it for my Wolf e-bike, as you can see over there, which, by the way, is still running strong and looking good. And I bought this AirHawk Pro because I wanted to have a digital tire pressure. You can't quite see that screen. For gauging the tire pressure more accurate, and also my other hand pump, which I have in my bag. Every time you pump it, what it does, and I'll show you, is it rocks this back and forth, which could put stress on it over time, which could lead to a failure right here. So anyways, so I decided to get a fancier pump. The only thing I don't like about this pump, and I've tested it, is this. So this is a digital tire pressure gauge. When I compare the two pressures, this one is pumping higher pressure than this one's reading. And I don't know if I would trust the automatic shut-off on that. So this is why I wanted to send a message out, because even though this is a very good pump, I don't know how accurate it is, and I really don't think it is as accurate as they say. So if you're pumping up bicycle tires with it, you want to be very careful. If you overinflate them, you will blow them. I have blown inner tubes before. So anyways, we're going to demonstrate this. So take off this, and this is a dedicated tire pressure meter. Okay, I'm showing 16.5. I did let some air out of that tire. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn it up to 24. Now the other thing I don't like about this is this. You got to thread it on each time. So I solved that problem. On Amazon, you can get one of these. Not only does it make it longer, but it's got the quick release. So I'm going to pause the video, I'm going to put this on, and then we'll go for the demonstration. Okay, we're back. So I've got it hooked up now, and I am about to turn it on. We've got it set at 24. Let's see if it shuts off. If it does not, I will shut it off myself. I had to shut it off, otherwise it would have kept going. So it would have kept running had I not shut it off. On a bicycle situation, you could have a blowout. So word of caution, good air pump, but you got to be there and watch it. Do not just hit the button and walk away. So I'm going to pause, unhook for a second. We're back. I'm going to check the tire pressure. So on the AirHawk Pro, it said 24 pounds, and I bet you it's going to be higher than that right now. And there's your proof, 25.1 pounds. So had I set it to 30 pounds, I would have been over and I could have blew my tire. It is off by exactly 1 pound PSI. So we'll hook up the back one. Put you on pause real quick. Okay, so now we're filling up the back tire. It is showing 18 pounds, 19 pounds. It's hard to see with the phone camera here. And I had to shut it off again. So I'll just put the phone down real quick. There you go, 25.2 pounds. So it is off by exactly 1 pound. Keep that in mind when using this AirHawk, okay? Because 1 pound on a bicycle is the difference between a blowout and a non-blowout. Had I filled these up 30 pounds, it would have been 31, which would have been over capacity of these bicycles. These tires, I mean. So this is something for everyone to know. And buy this extension. It was only, I think, $13. Well worth the investment. Quick release. By the time you get on threading, you're going to lose pressure just on threading it. Maybe that's why they overinflate, because they figure by the time you get done monkeying around with this thing, you will have lost that much pressure anyway. So, but other than that, it's a very nice device. It's got all these attachments for basketball and everything. There's other reviews on it. It has a 15-minute duty cycle. Now, what does that mean? It means that you can only run it for a maximum of 15 minutes at a time, then you have to give it a break. Otherwise, it's going to start smoking. Little pump can't handle it. Okay, so if you do have one of these digital, get one of these to verify that the pressure is accurate. Alright, so that's Blue Collar Guy. Take care, and if you like this video, if it saved you some money on a blowout, hit like and subscribe. Just watching out for my fellow workers. Bye bye.